Hi guys, welcome to a new vlog. It's not even a vlog, like a cooking video. If you want to know how to make this vegetable yam, I always make my family. Don't mind me, I don't always make it. This is my first time trying it. I saw this video on Instagram and I want to try it out. So guys, let's go together. It is yam, owa, fish, and ogo vegetable. So let's go right into it. It has a little tweak and I'm sure you will enjoy it. Do well to subscribe to this channel, like this video, comment on this video, and share this video to the mamas you know that want to learn this hack. If you are new here, my name is Nkira Renze NK Unfiltered. I am a content creator based in FCT, Nigeria. Reza! Yeah, anyway, yeah. Let's get right into it. Baby, why you come into you feel alone? So this is my oba. My mom usually sends this oba to me dry. She dries it up and sends it. So it's ready. I just have to warm it and yeah. So this is ready. Let's get right into frying our yam. And what do my gas? I cut the yam in this kind of cubes. Yeah, it's like not small, but it's not big. So the yam is done. Make sure your yam fries inside. I use the fork to chook it, you know that. Down. Oh, let's see. Yes, no, imagine me coming back and telling what we are going to eat. I went to know to look at me like I told her, or dog, you know, much chocolate. So for this yam, for me to know if it's done, I want to know if let me just get one of my chook knife, Nigerian English. So I can see and that is and the inside is soft. It doesn't make any sound. So this is so the yam is actually the fork is dry, yeah. And so the yam is done. So I'll be dishing this one out and let's move on to the sauce. Oh, sorry, lifestyle course. Now you know. Okay, man's Water one tutu. Water one tutu. Very cool, man. So I'll start with my butter. No, go ahead. My butter. Yummy in my stomach. I'll mix it. So I'll take some of this. So as usual, I build up my oil. You guys know I like to build up my oil. So I'm going to take some of my palm oil. Fry my vegetable. This oil I might add more, but for now I just want to start little. So this is my pepper mix. In my pepper mix, I have tomato, tatashi, fresh pepper, onions, garlic, ginger, obey. You see that obey? Don't use that obey. So I have in my mix. So the star of the show. Obey. Ogiri. Ogiri is the star of the show. I'm trying that. Give me that oshishito on it. Let me use the oil not be splashing. The hack works. Try it at home. So I won't wait for this to fry, and I'll keep you guys updated. Lifestyle course, now you know, now you know the lifestyle course, now you know. Oh, yeah, somebody will aye. I just stepped out to the kick parlor and came back in.
Dry, right?
Yeah, no, it doesn't need to be dry. Nice, receive this thing, guys. Very nice. Very nice. Well, it needs to be dry a little bit. It's too well watching. That's why I wanted to use that blender. That blender I will not add water. To just be like very thick. This one has to. Instead of this one, let me cover the pot. So let it fry. Piece. He choke. Choking teeth. If I'm again. You are a chef by day. A corner at night. The show my owa and banla fish. Let it simmer. Oh, let's see. Let it simmer. Kashize, how hamji, oha, bending tender. Come on, Badija. It shake, small nash, they shake. This sauce reached the dish small and cheap for white yam and sauce. So you can use this sauce for white yam and sauce. Like, just even plantain. What are we not talking? Tell me in the comment section. Tell me you the cook, Joe. Say it in the comment section. Let me know that you got this one. Say NK, you the cook fire. Fire. No, give me salt. God, now you know how to do it. This is my ogo. This is vegetable and and you can get the coffee like say she don't want to market before. It's really yummy. And it all sticks together. Yum juice. I think everybody wants to eat. Now, I want you. Yes, I will. Means to receive the blessings of the Lord. Next time you go there, next time you go there, stand there waiting. People they go to say you won't go hotel. You won't go hotel. You want me in my stomach? Hey! Hey! My Nigerian people, our food is ready and I have tasted it. It bangs. Hey! They need to pay bride price for me again. That's my official. Also, I'm taking home from this. Guys, try this yam. For any reason, just try this. For all the noise I'm making, don't miss the. See, the spice is the obi. Every other thing is inconsequential. The obi is the spice. It's thinking that I'm mixing that side she is. Now her go in here because she can't wait. Now. Just got some food. Hey! Food is good, but candy me here. Imagine you see a play of Sepagos. Oh, Sepagos. We start small, but no. Guys, tell me in the comment section, will you be trying this recipe? This yam is. Thank you so much for watching the video up to this point. I'm sure you're going to love this food. Come, maybe we'll go chop together. Bye, guys.
Next week, man, we need this type of that.
Hi.
I like you. Your standards are very high. Like this one, check.
Exactly.
Are we united?
Man, join us.
Literally the
apologies.